auspicious morning to each and everyone at the Century of Education. Today, I am the host of this morning assembly. Our district's theme was Gandhian values. Gandhiji's values are very important and we will try to present it nicely. As we gather in the Century of Education and Learning, let us take a moment to be present. Morning invocation to the Almighty Jesus, who bless us in our education and in our daily life. A beautiful morning pleading to the Almighty Jesus is necessary. So, I request the school band team to play a beautiful prayer. Give something such as a promise of support or a promise to be a citizen of any country. A pledge is the only way to express it. Let's now renew our commitment to our country and the values by taking the pledge. I invite Vivan to guide us.
My brother and sister, I love my country and I am proud of each rich and varied heritage, culture,
about the recent significance or the annual event and the recently occurred situation. I would like to invite Tanmay to deliver the latest news headlines of last 24 hours.
With this beautiful light, a very warm morning to everyone present over here. My name is Tanmay Saikia, student of class 6, is standing here to share the news headline of last 24 hours. First of all, beginning with some international news. Hamas and Israel begin peace talks in Egypt. Under the Trump plan, Town Council's woman said to be first female Prime Minister of Japan. The US Supreme Court orders Google to change its
Today is 9 October. So, this day can hold a significant historic or cultural event of the past. So now, I would like to call upon Rashmi to deliver the importance of today's day.
My name is Rashmi Mora from class 6C. I am standing in front of you to say today's importance of the day. On October 9 is celebrated on World Post Day. October 9 is also celebrated as Universal Postal Union. October 9 is celebrated as World Sight Day. On this day, singer Jason Gurney was born. On October 9 in 2009,
is the way to convey the speaker's thoughts, ideas, concepts and meaning, and is also used to motivate other students. So now I would like to call upon
मोनालिसा टुडू मैं कक्षा 6 की छात्री और मैं आप सभी के सामने आपके समक्ष महात्मा गांधी जी के बारे में महात्मा गांधी जी के कुछ मूल्यों के ऊपर भाषण देना चाहती हूँ। महात्मा गांधी जी भारत के एक स्वतंत्र संग्रामी के नेता ही नहीं बल्कि वे एक महान विचारक थे। उनका जीवन जीने का आधार था सत्य और अहिंसा। सत्य उनके लिए केवल एक शक्ति नहीं बल्कि जीवन जीने का आधार था। अहिंसा उनका सबसे बड़ा हथियार था। उन्होंने बिना हिंसा के दुनिया के सबसे बड़े शत्रु ब्रिटिश साम्राज्य से लोहा लिया। महात्मा गांधी जी हमें ये सिखाते हैं कि
or an idea or opinion the capacity of thinking or the state of organized belief. A thought is the only idea. So now I would like to call upon Deep for the thought.
My name is Deep Sharma and today's thought of the day is you may never know what result comes of your action, but if you do nothing there will be no result.
First of all, I would like to appreciate our class 6C group for conducting the assembly. Though all of them were engaged with the half-yearly exams, still I found them onto the stage 7. They were ready with the assembly, so I appreciate their efforts put in spite of being received exams. They were ready with the class assembly, so I congratulate all of them for taking that extra efforts in preparing. And this week, children, we have a beautiful theme to reflect about, that is Gandhian values. And already in the speech, a few things have already spoken. And whenever we think of Mahatma Gandhi, what comes to our mind is about truth and non-violence.
Very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present over here. Respected principal, hardworking teacher, and you all my dear Bosconian. This is Vidya Tiwari, student of class 6C, is standing here to host today's morning assembly. So let us begin our day by seeking blessings from God. So I request our school band team to play a beautiful. So I request Lakshmi to come forward and lead us with the prayer.
My brothers and sisters, I love my country and I'm proud of each rich and varied heritage, culture, language.
With the prayer. Being aware of the world around us, help us grow. To keep us informed, I now call upon Gracie to share the
Teachers and you all my dear friends, I am Gracie Dole from class 6C and I am standing here to share the news headlines of last 24 hours. 83 days remaining until the end of the year. So first of all, begin with some international news. Rajnath Singh reached Canberra to boost India-Australia defense ties. Canada PM discusses Keystone XL pipeline revival with Trump in Washington. The UNGA presidency is
Starting us with the current happening. We know how important every day is. So in order to know the importance of today's day, I here call upon Aditya Hazarika to come forward and share the importance of today's day in history. August 10 is the 283rd day of the year and 82 days remaining until of the year of the Gregorian calendar. On this day, Mental Health Day is observed to raise awareness about mental health issue and promote health. Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. These are some great lines said by Mahatma Gandhi. So moving forward, let's take a moment to highlight our beautiful topic. I request Aditya Prasad to come forward and speak our few words on the topic.
staff, non-teaching staff and you all my friends. Myself, Aditya Prasad, student of class 6C, standing here to deliver a speech on the topic Gandhian values. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was not only the leader of the freedom struggle, but also the teacher of the values that are relevant even today. Its principles of truth, non-violence, simplicity, self-reliance and tolerance continue to inspire millions of people across the world. In today's world of conflict and competition, Gandhian values guide us to live peacefully, respect others and work for the welfare of all. If we practice these ideals in our daily life, we can create a society that is just, harmonious and compassionate. Let us remember that
Very beautiful speech. A great house can make a great day. A simple line of wisdom can light up a path ahead. To brighten our morning assembly, I now call upon Suraj to give a motivational talk.
future depends on what you do today.
For their hard work and their performance. So now I request our principal, Father Augustine, to address our morning assembly.
I appreciate our class 6C group for conducting the assembly well today. They also did an excellent job of conducting it. They prepared well and highlighted the theme, Gandhian values. Yesterday, children will reflect about non-violence and truth, two main values that Mahatma Gandhi taught us. There are numerous other values that we learned from Mahatma Gandhi. Other two values maybe we can reflect today is about like his simplicity of life. He was never after wealth, money or possessions like. He always lived a kind of philosophy of minimum use of things like. That's why when we look at his life, we can always see that he was never after in the material wealth or possession or things like that. And second Wadi we can ladies